earlier tonight, a former Supreme Court staffer who accused Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi of sexual harassment has withdrawn herself from the in-house inquiry. In a statement that she put out, she says she feels intimidated in the presence of 3 Supreme Court judges without a lawyer. She's of course referring to Justices S.A. Bobde, Indu Malhotra and Indra Banerjee. She's gone on to say that no audio or video recording of the proceedings were done, and so she doesn't believe that she's going to be served justice. Well, let's take it across to Meenakshi Bhanja, a colleague from Mirror Now, who's joining in now on the phone line. Well, Meenakshi, one wonders then where this leaves the case, because if there is no complainant, then can there be an inquiry at all?
Well, indeed, Adana, very interesting question. Very quick perspective for our viewers here on it now. And at the sake of, for the sake of our viewers, also reaffirming our utmost regard for the Supreme Court as an institution. With this, it becomes very pertinent to mention, Tanya, that this particular woman complainant thus far has displayed purported no confidence in 4 judges, sitting judges of the Supreme Court, which includes now Honorable Justice Ramanna, Honorable Justice Indu Malhotra, Honorable Justice Indra Banerjee, and of course Honorable Justice Bobde himself. Now the 3 judges, which included Justice Malhotra, Justice Banerjee, Justice Bobde, they were a part of this in-panel committee which was investigating, or rather probing, her charges against Honorable Incumbent, Honorable Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi. And of course the statement that you have been referring to was brought out in the latter part of the evening, where she is showcasing again her no confidence in the methodology that she says the in-house committee has adopted to probe her charges. Now that's the big question. These are 4 sitting Supreme Court judges. Justice Ramanna recused himself out of the sake of larger interests of propriety, and subsequent to that, this in-house committee became a majority female composition with 2 sitting Supreme Court judges. Remember, Tanya, there are only a sum total of 3 sitting Supreme Court judges. Out of that, 2 had been placed in the committee to probe the allegations that she had levelled against the Honourable Incumbent Chief Justice of India. Now, very quickly, even the allegations itself that she has levelled is a subject matter of a larger scrutiny, which the Supreme Court is conducting by way of another 3-bench composition, which is being led by Honorable Justice Arun Mishra, which is investigating whether or not these charges have been levelled with a specific purpose of dragging the majesty of the judiciary to the ground, especially the Honorable Incumbent Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi, because according to Justice Arun Mishra, this is a Chief Justice who has attempted certain reforms, or rather cleansing in the Supreme Court, which thus far have never been attempted. So there are 2 aspects to the entire thing. But of course, to answer your question, when the complainant herself is now choosing to not participate in the in-house committee proceedings, then as she has stated in this statement herself, that the in-house committee has already informed her in that scenario it will be constrained to pass ex parte orders.
Right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for really putting that into perspective for our viewers.